zkSync ZigZag IDO confirmed. This is what we're doing today. We're gonna buy one zigzag or two or 10 or 100 or 1,000, how much you want. My name is Zig, also known as Finance After 40. Check out this trade. We just closed Ethereum long. The AI gave us long from 1,090. We're at 1,200 bucks Ethereum. Everyone are telling you we're crashing. The AI said to go long at 1,090, 9.5% profit. He also got us long Solana at 32. It's now 40. Uniswap at $4. It's now 550. Steppen at like 70, 72. It's now 80 something, etc., etc. Feel free to follow me. There's a link here to join. My Discord, my Twitter as well is ZivZiv12 free. AI outperform you, 7 days trial. Let's effing go. Let's get to ZigZag basically IDO. So anticipation is finally over. Introducing ZigZag token. By the way, it's a show. It's a show. It just started like 10 minutes ago. It just horrible. It's already up 100%, but it's too much. But I'm gonna show you anyway how to do it. I haven't done it. I'm doing this live with you. Participating in the IDO. In order to participate in the IDO, you need to bridge USDC to zkSync. You don't need to bridge USDC. You can just bridge ETH and then trade or swap. After bridge USDC, visit our order book. Look for ZZ USDC pair and buy ZZ at this website, which we'll do in a second. And you can read the tokenomics, which is horrible. They go live today. 30% for the team, 2% for the IDO, insurance fund 10%, treasury 57%. Basically, 30% for the team is just insane. If there is an airdrop, they said there's no airdrop, but if you have a coin, there will be a vote, and you can probably vote to have a coin, etc., etc. So let's just buy one coin. Let's see how it goes. So what do? You go here. Okay, let's refresh just so you know. Trade.zigzag.exchange. You need to be on zkSync mainnet. Okay, zkSync mainnet. Connect your wallet. And first, you're gonna make sure I am recording, which I am. What do? I have, first of all, you're gonna click bridge. If you're not already here, you can click bridge, okay? Now, if you already follow my channel, you already have ETH in zkSync wallet. You already gave money to Gitcoin grants with DAI using zkSync checkout. So I assume you already have some leftover either in DAI, which I have, or Ethereum. But if you don't, you can send money in this bridge right here. All the links will be below from Ethereum or Polygon. Good to know. I can send money Ethereum from Polygon into zkSync, which is nice. And once you've done that, I'm not gonna do that. We've done it before many times, as I said. You're gonna click here. You're gonna click trade, and in the trades, what did they say to us? They say, again, let's read this. Basically, in order to participate, please bridge. Okay, check after bridging. Visit the order book. Look for ZZ USDC pair. So ZZ USDC pair is basically you're gonna go trade, and you're gonna go stables. And where I'm searching ZZ. Okay, let's search ZZ. Price is now 25 bucks. That's insane. It was $3 seconds ago. Let's click direct from here, because I'm sure it's like a fake something. There we go. 10 bucks. Wow. 15 bucks. Even worse. I'm not even buying one. That's just horrible. It doesn't make sense. How is it 15 bucks? It was $3 like a second ago. ZZUSD. Okay. Price change. You can't sell. They're gonna die before they even start, which is a shame. How much is one ZZ? I wanna buy one ZZ. Can I do that? ZZ1. $15. Wow, what is that? That's stupid. That's just stupid. But first, let's go step by step. I have DAI from leftovers. Okay, so in my DAI, I'm gonna switch DAI. Let's search just DAI, basically, and I'm gonna switch DAI to USDC. And you see, I got how much DAI do I have? I'm gonna sell, not sell DAI to USDT to USDC. Wow. Oh my word, here we go, 6.28 DAI. I want to sell my DAI, not sell USDC, sell basically 6 DAI. Okay, let's sell 6 DAI. I can't even buy one. Okay, let's see how it works. Connect to MetaMask, sign, sell, committing. Good, I did another transaction. I assume all the people that are in this basically the ZigZag exchange and they will make a vote and all that stuff. They will probably say, you know what, if you use the platform a couple of times, you're gonna get an airdrop, basically. But 30% for the team. They also mentioned a few days ago they got burned with UST and they need money. There's a couple of red flags in here that I do not like. If there's a big airdrop, I'm probably gonna dump it on day one, but I don't see it happening in the soon. Probably 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months, and it's not gonna be big. Maybe, I hope I'm wrong. Now that we've done this, let's click on that pair again, because that's just crazy. In order to participate, then go to ZZUSDC. Let's click on this one. ZZUSDC, $14. I got $6. Can I buy one? Price, I want to buy one ZZ. And how much is that? Now it's $6, right? What's the price here? This is so stupid. What's the price? The low was $3. It started at like 150, jumped to $3 like 2 seconds in. You haven't even traded, and now the price is now it's back to 6. Now it's free. I'm gonna do a limit order. Sure, why not? I got 6 USD. I'm gonna buy. Let's put 3, and I'm gonna put the amount, the limit order. I'm gonna buy 2. There we go. So if it goes down to $3, it's gonna fill my order. If it doesn't, well, whatever. I'm not gonna pay $10. There's no liquidity in here. Look at this. Is this the order book? 97 cents. People bought at 97, 86. I don't know what's going on. Really don't know. Now the price is $10. I don't know. Click buy. Doesn't really matter. It's a limit order. Total exceed USDC balance. Why? I got 6 and I want to buy 2. How do I do that? I'm going to buy with the limit order. 6. Okay. What's my max? My max is 6 and it's going to get me okay, 193. No. I'm gonna, I don't know. So the max is 580. Why are you taking so much fees? What's going on? Let's just put, if it goes down to 250, give me 2. Can I do that? Buy order pending. 2.5 ZZ. I don't know what's going on. It's more than 1. It's a limit. Interesting. And it expires 6 days from now. Who knows? Anyway, if this was valuable, join us right here on our quest for AI outperform you. Follow me on Twitter. I just started this like a month or 2 ago. Not really a Twitter fan. Check out this beauty. We got into this one before the crash last week. Bitcoin was here at 2600. We said sell, and we saw, and we cashed out around 18.5 or something like that. This was like 10 days ago. Who even remembers? And a couple of trades since then. Ziv12 for free. Here's the link for 7-day trial. Hope this was valuable. I had a lot of high hopes for this one, but so far I'm very disappointed with ZigZag from zkSync. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.